What up, people? Thank you for tuning in. It's Beer Monster O'Clock. And as you can see, I've got a massive box of beer that I ordered from Lowcostbeers.com. Now, I've never tried this site out. I've not looked at anybody else who's tried it out. I just thought I'd give it a go. I ordered their mystery box, which cost me £45. And it's got like 20 odd beers in it. And literally, I have not got a clue what beers they are. They could be craft beers, they could be ales, they could be Carlin, they could be Foster's, they could be some amazing Belgian triples or German beautiful beers. I ain't got a clue. I'm just hoping that I ain't got a crate of Carlin or something in here, because I think it's at least 24 beers you get for 45 quid. Some of them could have short dates or whatnot, but I thought it'd be a laugh, wouldn't it? So see what we get, see if it's good value. Maybe it's a good little value service. Let's find out what we get and see whether it's worth it overall. It's all about that noise in the background. My boy is up and he's having a little rampage at the door. Right, let's crack it open. And I've not even looked inside, so I literally have no idea what's going to be in here. Right, let's crack it open. Literally no idea. Because here, my boy wants to know what's in here as well, by the sounds of it. Right. Oh. Right, there we go. She's open. Let's see what we get. Looks fairly well packed. Right, wow. Actually looks quite crafty from sort of first appearances. And it ain't Carlin and it ain't Foster's. So let's have a look, see what we get. I'm hoping another thing as well. Obviously, I've reviewed a lot of beers on the channel. It's not their fault if they give me some beers I've already reviewed. But what I don't want is like most of them I've already done on the channel. So I'm hoping I'll just get mystery random beers that I wouldn't see in the supermarkets, you know? That's the hope. First up, we have a beer by Easy Trail. It's a session IPA coming in at 4.2% with Vinous Ales Farm Brewery. Quite interesting, first beer. Right, second beer is by the Brixton Brewery. It's called Low Voltage Session IPA. How low voltage is it? 3.4%. Both of them I haven't done so far. Looking good so far. Next one, Salty Kiss. I don't think I've done that one, but I have seen it in the supermarket. Oh, it's a gooseberry sour, fruity and refreshing beer, 4.1% by the Magic Rock Brewery. Oh, let's stick them here. So far, I think all three of them I haven't done, so that's good. Next one. Oh, we got another gooseberry goose, is it? Yeah, Gooseberry Goose, Salty Kiss. So we've got two of the same beer. I was hoping we wouldn't get duplicates. I was hoping that every beer was going to be different. So that's my first disappointment anyway. But that's what you get when you get a mystery box. You don't know what you're going to get there. They've probably just got loads of them. Right, we have a Duradam gluten-free. I've definitely not tried that because it's gluten-free. Duradam. Is that a lager? It looks like it might be a lager. Cannot see the percentage on it. We'll have to find out when I review it. There you go. Damn! Not done that one, so that's good. What we got here? The bloody hell is this? Gordon's Pink Martini Cocktail. That's come straight from a keglet. 12.5% ABV. The missus can have that. That will be a bit of her, that will. Pink Martini, basically a porn star martini, I think. What else have we got here? 4 Pure Brewery Oatmeal Stout. Done that one, unfortunately. Done that one. But it weren't too bad. I'm sure I'll find a way to get it down me. Oh, this one's very dented up. Brew Good Art Lager. I don't think I've done that one, but I will have to check the old beer review playlist because I'm not too sure. Next we have a sour Goose Nils of London sparkling mead. That sounds very interesting. I'm not sure I've tried mead. There we go. That's going to be an interesting one. It's always nice to try out something different, isn't it? Hopped Goose Nils of London Sparkling Mead. Another mead, but this one's hopped. There we go. Bash. I'm looking forward to giving them a try. Something different, isn't it? Belfield Old Town Alt Beer. 5.3% ABV. Gosh. So far, it's not looking too bad. I mean, there's a lot of beers still to go. Belfield Old Town, oh, that's the same one again. So we've got another double, which is a shame. That is a shame. That's a big no-no for me, as far as whether I would get them again for the channel, because I'm already going to get the odd duplicate. Plus, if they're doing doubles as well, and if it's a double duplicate, it's not ideal for me, is it? First Chop AVA Hoppy Blonde, gluten-free, 3.5%. It pisses probably a higher ABV. We have one 4 Pure Brewery Something Good IPA, 5.4%. I don't believe I've done that one, so that's always good to see. God, yeah. Oh, we've got a big can here. 4 Pure Brewery 40-day lager, cold matured for 40 days, 5.1% ABV. Got a bit of balls about it. Not tried that one. I do like me a lager. Oh, the original small beer lager. Oh God. Yeah. I'm not sure about this one, guys. It's a lager, 2.1% ABV. And look, it's taking the piss out of the size of my penis. 2.1% ABV, come on. Come on, up the game. Small, oh God, this is by the small beer, this says Session Pal, 2.5% ABV. It's definitely getting worse, this unboxing, as it goes along, unfortunately. You never know, they might be nice, but I mean, not gonna get drunk, are they? Ugh, now that looks more like it. Delirium Red Strong Fruit Beer, 8% ABV mush. I've had the original Delirium Tremens, but I've not reviewed that one. So yeah, I'm very happy about that one, because I believe that's about £4 a bottle, that stuff. So that's a big W, that one. And we've got another Delirium Tremens. Argentium, not tried this either. Hoppy Amber IPA, 7% ABV. Very sexy looking bottle again. Again, about £4 a bottle. So it's getting better. It's sort of, it's a mixed bag, isn't it? It's a mixed bag. Or just in something that I don't like. Oh, we've got a nice big can. It's an IPA by Dennis Hopper. 5.3% IPA. Not too bad. Quite sexual can art. Still got a few more to go. Blanc Wheat Beer, Grissy Bio. Not done that one. By the St. Frulin Brewery. Well, that could be an interesting one. Belgian wheat beer, 5.5% ABV. I do like a wheat beer, so that's a big W for me as well, that one. A wheat beer that I've not tried. Big W. What else we got? By the Freedom Brewery, New Zealand Pale Ale. Quite a nice looking bottle, although be it small. What percent is that one? 4% ABV. E1 Brew Company IPA, 5%. Yeah, bit of a boring looking can, but as long as the beer's nice, find out in good time, I suppose. We have another Brewgooder beer. This is a grapefruit haze, 5% ABV. Big can again. Okay, quite a basic looking can, like all their ones seem to be. Right, getting down to the last 4. And I think I've done 2 of them. Monastery Blonde. It's a French blonde. I've done that before. I remember I got it from Home Bargains for about £1.20. That for me is an L, because I've already reviewed it. I think I'll double check, because I'm not 100%. It might have been the Brune that I've done, the brown version, possibly. I'll double check, but I think I've done it, and I think I didn't like it as well. It's too sweet. I could be wrong though. I've done this one as well. Jeez, a lot of sediment in that. The bottom of that. Maybe we can pick it up. Probably not. Lots of sediment. It's Blue Moon Mango Wheat. Pretty sure I've done that before. But you know, I'll enjoy it anyway. So it's a wheat beer in it. I'll just drink that just for the fun of it, but I won't be reviewing it because I've already done it. And we have Anytime IPA. Now I believe I've done this one as well, but out of a can, so I won't review it again. I'll double check it, but I think I've done it. And last, well, not least, but it's not great because I've done it before. It's Erdinger Weissbier. Bit underwhelming. There's quite a few crap ones in there, but there's quite a few nice ones. The highlights have got to be the Delirium Tremens. Yeah, there's quite a few here for me to review, but there's quite a few I've already done as well. Overall, would I recommend it? 45 quid. I've got to be honest, they took about a week to come as well, which I was a bit disappointed at, which I haven't put out no videos for the last like 2 or 3 days. So I've been waiting for these bad boys to arrive. So overall, I'm going to say no. I wouldn't recommend it. Just looking at what I've got here, I don't think it's really worth the money. Some of them are really short dated, and I think a few of them might be out of date as well. So yeah, it's a disappointing unboxing, unfortunately. Let me know what you think. Do you think that's good value for 45 quid? The thing is, there are some good ones in here, but then there's some absolute shockers like these 2% beers. You know, I basically don't even count. I might review them. Yeah, I don't know. I just think overall, there's lots of small cans as well. Lots of small cans. I've only got 2 big craft cans of beer. Oh, 3, sorry. The rest are all little, or 4, sorry. The rest are all little cans. And like just, there's a few sort of beers you can find everywhere, pretty much like these two. Disappointing. Oh well, it is what it is. I took a risk, and I would say overall it failed, but not massively. You know, there are still some beers here to keep me busy for a while. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Layla's just come in. Hello, darling. And she's come back from school. And yeah, to the next review, which will be one of these. Bye-bye, darlings.